Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Old French sounded. Old French pronunciation was quite different from the French spoken today, featuring many sounds that have since disappeared or evolved. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the language's rich history and its journey to modernity. We'll explore the distinct characteristics that gave Old French its unique auditory identity, from its robust consonants to its varied vowel sounds and stress patterns. Old French featured a more pronounced articulation of consonants. For instance, final consonants such as S, T, and D were generally audible, unlike in modern French. The R sound was typically a rolled or trilled R, similar to Spanish or Italian, rather than the uvular R we hear today. Vowels also had different qualities, with many diphthongs like oi and eu having distinct, separate pronunciations. Nasal vowels were present, but the nasal consonant was often fully pronounced. The rhythm of Old French was also quite different. Word stress generally fell on the last pronounced syllable, contributing to a distinct cadence. This contrasts with modern French, where stress is often more phrasal. The overall sound of Old French was likely more robust and less fluid, with a clearer articulation of individual sounds. It's important to remember that Old French was a collection of dialects, so regional variations in pronunciation were common and influenced its diverse soundscape. The journey from Old French to modern French involved significant phonetic transformations over centuries. Linguists use historical documents, comparative linguistics, and reconstructed pronunciations to understand how it sounded. While no audio recordings exist, scholarly work provides a strong foundation for imagining its sound. For those interested in practical matters, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Be sure to check the description for a link to these and other great deals. Exploring these resources can truly bring the sounds of Old French to life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.